This is Bodo Thai. So you are getting ready to go to Thailand. You got your backpack, things lined up, what you want to do, where you want to go, what you want to eat, right? Well, enough talk. Well, let's do it. Don't rely on the credit cards. I know you guys like to carry your credit cards. You don't like to carry cash because you think it's like, like dangerous or something, right? No, Thailand is not really that dangerous. Credit cards can get you so far, but once you leave your hotel, just letting you know that most people in Thailand, they don't really take credit cards. That might come to a surprise to you. Well, some do. In a hotel or resort or even shopping malls, they take credit cards. Even though they take credit card, it's fine. But remember that they might not. Just try to remind yourself to always carry cash. Cash is always king. People don't really like credit cards. So if you have cash, just a small amount or whatever is fine, carry that. It'll make your trip easier. Just like if you want to take taxi, they don't take no credit card. What, you think you're crazy? No, they don't take no credit card. They want cash. Cash, baby. So always carry cash with you. Remember the rule, ABC, always bring cash. All right? Okay. Second one. Don't trust the tuk-tuk drivers. If you see them line up, waiting for tourists to come by and take you somewhere or whatever, never trust those people. I hate to say it, but I wouldn't. They'll basically scam you. You might end up in a weird jewelry store, or you might want to go out for a cup of coffee. You end up buying a whole suit or things that you don't really need. And some stupid like fake jewelry and things like that. You spend like tens and thousands of baht for, or even more. Some people spend like millions of baht for it. Stupid, right? And those jewelries are fake anyway. So they're gonna come in this form of like, they want to take you around, they want to show you sightseeing or whatever bull crap that they try to lure you in, and just don't be a fool. All right. Third one. It's gonna sound bad, but never trust a taxi driver either. They will do exact same thing as a tuk-tuk driver, but now you're in a taxi instead of tuk-tuk. So if you miss a tuk-tuk one, go back and watch it because it's the same information. They'll take you the same place. They'll try to scam you the same way, or take you around town or whatever. If you want to travel safe, I made a video on that, so I'll link at the end of the video so you can go watch it, because it's kind of lengthy video, but it's informative. But if you do decide to take taxis, make sure they turn on a taxi meter. That little meter thing in the front. Make sure those are on. There's some scam going on as well, so beware. If you want to get a taxi, always flag the taxi that just randomly drive by. Those are legit, I think, to a certain point. But if you see those taxis, it's just like parked there, like 5 or 6 or 10 of them in a row and waiting to serve you. No, don't get on those, because you're gonna get scammed out of yin yang. All right, next. Don't wear revealing clothing. I don't know. It's personal preference. I ain't gonna tell you what to wear, what to dress, But you can wear whatever you want. Seriously. But if you wear short shorts or whatever, then your booty's hanging out or whatever hanging out, right? So some of the places might not allow you to go into, for instance, the Grand Palace. They might not let you in. I don't know. I didn't make this rule up. And don't get all pissed at me. I believe that people can wear whatever the heck they want, but they made up those rules. So I'm just telling you, don't shoot the messenger, dude. For women, so just don't wear like thong bikini, just walking around the mall. I mean, that's weird. And you wouldn't do that here. Right? So whatever you don't do here, just don't do it over there. That's it, man. Just move on. All right, next. So when you're in a restaurant, don't call the waiter by whistle or snap your fingers. Come on. You don't do it here. You don't do it at your home. You go to a restaurant, you don't like whistle and snap your fingers and get their attention or whatever. Don't do that. You might think, oh man, this is stupid. Nobody does that. But you'll be surprised how many people does that when you're there in Thailand. Seriously. And a quick tip for you though, when you're in a restaurant, for here in the States, once they assign a waiter to you or waitress to you, that person will always going to take care of your table, right? So if you need something, you kind of have to look for them. You have to look for her or him or whatever, right? But not in Thailand. Anyone can help you. Your waiter is not there because you couldn't remember what they look like. You can call anyone, even a busboy or whoever that's standing around and do nothing. You don't have to call exact waiter that helped you before. It don't matter. In Thailand, you can call anyone. Everyone can help you. Just don't call another customer. Hey, yo, see, I'm snapping my finger again. I shouldn't be doing that. So don't do that. Hey, give me a glass of water or something. All right, yeah, just don't whistle. Don't snap your fingers to call people and get their attention. Just don't do what I do, man. Come on. All right, next. If you go shopping at a local market, like outdoor market and stuff, just if the merchandise is like, I don't know, like a 500 baht, right? Always talk them down. They're always open for bargaining. Don't pay the price. Some people is like, oh yeah, just pay the price. It's fine. No, you can talk them down like 20 to 30%. Don't pay the asking price. And don't bargain at the mall. If you go to the mall, you see like whatever stores. Just don't go around and bargain. Just, come on, dude. You know what it is. In Thailand, when I was there are certain hours that you can buy alcohol, and at certain hours you cannot. Check on those because sometimes it changes. I don't know if they change or not. I don't really care. But yeah, I have my ways to buy them anyway. So, and I'm gonna tell you how. At the mall, you might see like a liquor store or whatever you want to buy, and they'll be like, oh, you can't buy it. Not because they don't want to sell to you, but there's a certain hours of the day that you cannot buy it. But once it passes that hours, you can buy it. Okay, so check on it and make sure it's legal to buy at that hours. Okay, I don't make it up. I don't make this rule up, man. I think it's kind of dumb. Whatever, they must have their own reason. What the heck do I know? So but as a traveler and as a tourist, if you're so parched, if you're so thirsty for some whiskey or bourbon or whatever cocktail you want at your hotel or resort or whatever, they can always serve you. They will always be able to serve you. Just you can't just go outside and buy it. It's like 5 a.m. I want like sex on the beach. Yeah, who cares, right? I'm on vacation, man. You just get it. They'll serve to you. I'll be like, yeah, I want one bourbon, one scotch, and a beer. Yeah. It's only like 6 a.m. Yeah, I do that. But yeah, they'll serve to you. But you just can't go out there outside the hotel and order it at like, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if you're at the restaurant, they'll serve you or not. I'm not sure. I don't know. Because to me, all day is a drunk day. And one more thing though. I mean, this is up to you, okay? Because for me, when you go to the zoo or when you go to some sort of attraction, they have this like tigers all chained up, and you can take photo with them or whatever. I mean, I wouldn't suggest you do that, because it's kind of like supporting illegal trades and abusive to animals and such, because those tigers are drugs, and they don't know what the heck is going on. They've been kept in captivity for so long, they don't even know what they are anymore. But anyway, yeah, I wouldn't support those kind of activities. I think they should be illegal. But people still do. Sometimes you go on vacation, you kind of want to have like a souvenir and have fun or whatever, and you want to post it online. And once you post it online, people might jump on you, and it might turn out different. You might have a lot of like friend who unfriend you or something. I don't know, man. It's your call. It's your call. It's just me. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just looking out for you. Okay. All right. Let's keep it short. Let's keep it tight. And my name is Bodo. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Peace.